siding, and trees. Locations impacted. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bedford County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Fulton County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Inglesmith, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Barnes Gap, Big Cove Tannery, Inglesmith, Needmore, and Locust Grove. This includes Interstate 70 for mile markers 153 to 166. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.